Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I want to go over what my impressions and a review of the EUROSTART remote starter that I have installed on my BMW F10. If you guys are looking to buy this remote starter before I start, I will have it linked down below. They make some awesome remote OEM style starters for many different BMWs and many different Minis. So check them out in the link below. So far, I'm absolutely loving the system. The integration with my phone is amazing, and I want to go over the features and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so I want to first start off with a demonstration showing you how the system works. So the car needs to be locked in, obviously in a well ventilated area. So we have our OEM remote key fob, and all we do is go 1, 2, and on the third one we hold it for a second. Car beeps, and just like that, it's started. Now, just due to the way BMW's key system works, if I go up to the car and put my hand on it, the system shuts off. As soon as you press the unlock button or try to open a door, hit the brake, anything like that, the system will shut off because it needs to hand over to your original key. That's this one using it. The remote system doesn't understand how to pass off, and this is just a limitation from BMW. It poses a security issue if the car continued running and you got in with your key, so that's why the system does shut off. Now, the second way to start the car, if you have the optional drone module, is from your phone. It allows us to unlock, so let's lock it. Just locked, we can unlock it. And now we can start it. Let's press and hold this button. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can actually get into this menu. So what you do is you turn the car on without your foot on the brake. So click it once, then shut it off, and then press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel for 5 seconds. So it did it twice, which means setting 1, function 1. We'll press it again to advance to the next one. Setting 2. And it beeped 4 times to let you know that this is, it beeped twice then 4 times. So the first 2 beeps were to say I'm in setting 2, function 4, and function 4 is the 20 minutes. And then if we want to save it, we can just press the volume up button. So it's really nice that they offer these different options to configure the remote starter how you want it to work. A lot of systems on the market are just tailored to, let's say, 15 minutes, that's it. Car blinks, sounds the horn. There's all different things that you can customize with this particular remote starter. I'll have the full list of things you can do up on the screen, which is awesome. So I really like that functionality of this remote starter because I wasn't a huge fan of the blinking lights, but I can see how some people parked on the side of the road, whatever, may like that feature. I, for one, don't want that, my car blinking, but it's really nice that they allow to customize that option. And I like that I was able to customize the runtime. For me, that is a huge game changer and a very important feature that is needed in a remote start system. The next thing I want to go over is when using this system with the factory fob, you guys probably are wondering, how far will it work? It will work as far as the original remote start key. Obviously, it is the same key, so it's going to work the same distance. It's a very good distance. If you guys do not want to buy the additional drone module, I think the distance is very good. I'm able to do it from my house, so it's really a good distance. Some remote start systems, like my old one, kind of sucked on my Chevy. This system is really good because the BMW F10, the distance is very far, so it's awesome. Any of the F series has a very far distance, in my opinion, so it works awesome. But if you really want the extra added feature, being able to start your car from anywhere, it's awesome. I'll actually go over, show you the app real quick, and then we can close out the video with my final thoughts. Alright, so obviously being able to start your car from the factory key fob is extremely nice. Using the factory key fob, not having to carry around another key fob, is extremely nice. As I mentioned, you just press the BMW lock button. Once the car is locked in a well ventilated area, you just press it 1, 2, and on the third time that you press it, you hold it for a second or 2. However, in my opinion, the real star of the show is the fact that the EUROSTART remote starter integrates with a module called the Drone X1R, which essentially allows you to start your car from your phone. I just want to go over the app real quick. So as you can see up on the screen, we are currently in the app. We can see my car at the top. We can see my location. We can see my battery. level. So we see 14.6 volts. That's because it's on. We can see the engine's on. We can see that my doors are unlocked. We can see my doors are closed. The trunk is closed. The hood is closed. We can see the actual temperature inside the car, which is awesome. We can see stuff like maintenance schedule. It's crazy what we can do. If we click controls, this is where we can lock and unlock and start the car, which is awesome. Some of these features that this drone module offers is crazy, and the fact that it all integrates with this remote starter, it's such a little price to pay to be able to do all of this information through the drone module. The other thing that I should mention is it is a subscription based. I think I pay $3.99 a month using AT&T's service. I think you can switch it over to Verizon, but right now, I'm usually not a biggest fan of AT&T, but right now it's pretty good. I can even see my signal strength says high, so it's awesome. I can't say enough good things about the app. I can't say enough good things about this particular remote starter. I've only experienced a couple other remote starters, and this one by far is amazing. I hope in my next car I'm able to get something like this, because I'm gonna be really disappointed if I can't, because the system is just so good. It works every time. I've had no hiccups. It's safe. It's super safe. People are always a little skeptical about remote starters. This remote starter is super safe, and that's the exact reason, another reason why the car has to shut down if you get in the car when you open the door, if you put your foot on the brake, anything like that, it stops the car. It is safe, so no one can drive away with your car unless they have your actual key that would be in your pocket and not sitting in the car. So it's a really safe system, is another huge reason why I like it, and it just works. Everything's plug and play. No weird finicky issues with the car. It just works. Everything works like factory. You don't notice it's installed. It doesn't cause any other weird electrical issues that you may think when installing a remote starter. It's undetected, works great, and I can't say enough good things. If you guys are looking to get this, I will have a link down below. I highly suggest you check out EUROSTART. They are amazing. I think they are the best remote starters on the market for BMWs, and they are a pioneer when it comes to remote starters for these things. They have it so dialed in, everything just works, super easy to use. I just can't say enough good things. If you guys are looking to get one, like I said, I'll have it linked down below. If you guys have any questions at all, I know this is a lot of information in one video, and I'm sure there's a couple other things that I didn't necessarily mention. So if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have not checked out my Amazon ECS affiliate link, linked down below, as it helps out the channel at no cost to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.